Hey, this is Bill. Checking in with the Arduino R4 Paul McWhorter class. This is homework number uh, 8. And the assignment was variables. And I kind of went bazooka with variables. So a lot of this code is actually littered with trying to get this built-in display going, and um, I just spent a bunch of time on that with the last homework I turned in, and but I think it's cool, and I had it, and so I just did some cutting and pasting and threw it in there. But let's get to the real crux of it here. The code is this beginning part. Excuse me, is just for the matrix display on the Arduino itself. I print stuff, so Paul used a little higher baud rate. Excuse me, I've got a tickle in my throat. So anyways, he said variables, so I threw in a bazooka of them. I start out with green LED, that's the pin, red LED, that's the red pin. And then I did the amount of time we want the red LED on and the amount of time for the red LED off. And then the green LED on, green LED off, the amount of time on both of those. And then I forget what Paul said, but he wanted the red to blink, I don't know, 5 times and the green to blink 10. Excuse me, I'm about ready to cough here a lot. And then this is for the display. This is setting things up. The only important ones for the actual homework assignment is the pin mode. So I used the variable green LED for the pin, and I made an output, same thing, red LED for the output. This void display is just a little function that calls this display number, and that's got nothing to do with the variables, but all it does is make the matrix, built-in matrix go. And then instead of going with blink 5 times and cut and paste and 10 times cut and paste, this isn't my first class with Paul. So anyways, I used a for loop. Oh, let's go back up here. Did I already say this? I probably did. The red blink, how many times you want to blink? I picked 10. How many times we want the green to blink? I picked 25. So anyways, let's get back to where we're at. Sorry if I repeated that. But anyways, the for loop, I had the counter set as 1, and I guess I could have put this, declared it as an integer up in the setup type stuff, or before the setup stuff with all the other integers, but for some reason for counters and stuff, I just do it this way. I don't know why. And then and I call that counter. So here the counter is 1, and I put the counter is less than or equal to the number of green blinks. And then I did the counter, and this is the same thing as counter equals counter plus 1. It's just a little shortcut to go the plus plus. And I turn the green on, and the delay is for how long the green is on. And the digital write The second one is turning the green LED off, and here's the delay for however long you want the green LED off. The rest of this stuff is for, and then it goes counter equals counter plus plus. So this resets it. Something's going on with my mouse here. This resets it, the counter, as it goes through there each time. And this string counter display, this calls the function from up here. Serial print, you can see down here, I actually have it, so it was printing on the serial, this guy up here. But anyways, so that's the for loop for the green. It's identical for the for loop with the red. And if you watch it, you can see that the red's going slow down here, and that's the green's going fast. And anyways, that's the homework, and I kind of went a little sideways on the homework assignment, but that's it. See you guys. Actually, I should see you guys tonight on the live stream. Bye-bye.